Hello everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I'll be showing you how you use the professional dashboard on Instagram. So let's jump right in. First things first, what you have to have is a business account, a professional account. So what you need to do first, if you don't have that, is go ahead and switch to a professional account. You go ahead and click on the three lines in the top right corner and then settings, and then go ahead and click on account. Here, I already have a professional account, a business account. If you don't, just go ahead and click on that, and then you should be all set up. So what we need to do is go ahead and click on dashboard, professional dashboard, and here you can see every insight about your professional account. Here you see ads, set up branded content tools, set up Instagram shopping, and all of these things that could help you upgrade your account. Here, as you can see, all the tools, and then all of this insight like overview, accounts reached, account is engaged, and everything that you have to know in order to grow your account and to actually, why not, make money. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like it, share it, and subscribe to the channel for more useful content. Till next time, have a great day.